So yesterday the PIB carried an important update on this scheme. Since its launch, when it was launched on this day 2015, it has benefited 27 million farmers. Remember this, it can be asked in our exams. And also highlighted union budget 2026-2027 has allocated 6,587 crore rupees under this scheme. Before understanding the scheme, let me ask you a simple question. What are the biggest challenges faced by our farmers? I know many of you might say dependency on monsoon. Yes, you are right, but there is another important challenge, that is over dependence on groundwater for irrigation. So to tackle these kind of issues and to provide end-to-end solutions and to enhance physical access of a water on farm and to provide sustainable water conservation practices, this scheme was launched. What type of a scheme it is? Centrally sponsored scheme. That means central governments and state governments share cost of implementation. And see funding patterns, central government and state governments 75 is to 25. For northern and hilly areas 90 is to 10. And it is an umbrella irrigation scheme. Why it is an umbrella irrigation scheme? Before 2015, these programs are functioning separately, but in 2015 government merged these three programs into one scheme. And look at the motto of this scheme: har khet ko pani. That means water to every field. Pet drop more crop means use less water but to grow more crops. And what are the components under this scheme? There are four components. First one is accelerated irrigation benefit program. Why is this? To speed up completion of a major irrigation projects. What are major irrigation projects? Like dams and mega canals. That too when the state government doesn't have enough funds. Like it is one kind of a financial assistance to state governments, and it works under Ministry of Jal Shakti. One more thing, under this program 53 projects completed. And the second component is har khet ko pani. We already know that water is available in our rivers and dams, right? But it must reach farmers field efficiently. Under this component, renovation, restoration of our water bodies takes place, and groundwater development and improve water surface availability also. And this works under Ministry of Jal Shakti. And the third component is watershed development. It looks after effective management of a runoff water and conserves soil in a rain-fed areas. So basically here rainwater harvest takes place and construction of small ponds, check dams, what we call that drainage line treatment, and works under which ministry? Ministry of Rural Development. And the fourth one is pet drop more crop. Here water usage will be taken in a scientific and a controlled manner so that we can save up to 42 to 60% of water. It will reduce irrigation water wastage. It works under which ministry? Ministry of Agriculture. And one more thing, in 2020 geotagging was launched. Why is this? To ensure transparency. It is a mobile app launched by Ministry of Jal Shakti. And the question can be asked, is geotagging only for AABP? Then the answer is no. It covers all components. That's all about the lecture. If you like my video, click like button and follow for more. Thank you.